Hyundai Santa Fe 2013. I'll be changing the rear brake pads. One side it's completely gone. Now it's rubbing metal to metal. I normally in this case they're a little bit worn. Then you change the disc as well. I'll be changing only the brake pads, but the best is to change discs and the brake pads in this case. Next time I'll do both. So what I'll do, I'll loosen the bolts as it is, then lift the car and remove them completely. Bolts, take out the wheel, chuck up, and do the rest. Socket 21. So first just loosen them. The best way when you loosen some bolts or nuts, you use your weight instead of lifting. So if I do the other side, I would go this way. And one more trick, see, sometimes when you put it in, it's not the right angle, and if you take it out and put it back to the next groove, then it won't be enough space. So what I do, take out the socket and twist 90 degrees. See, now different angle, a better angle. Same here. Now jack it up. Something wrong. They fitted it the wrong way. And they forced the knot inside. That's not a good thing. See if the bolt is okay, just change the knot. I do put the wheel underneath here for more security, and the bolt is, maybe it's not too bad, maybe it's part of the knot. I have some dies and taps, and I'll try to clean it up and see how it goes. Yeah, but I don't think I have a nut. Now I need to do the brake pads. So before that, you need to decompress, fully decompress. And I don't have the the special tool which compresses. I actually should buy one, because I do change a lot of brake pads. I should buy one, yeah. But what I do, stick my flat screwdriver in, and then just, I don't have anywhere to grab, so try to decompress with this thing. Yep, it works. That's the main thing. Doesn't matter what you use, as long as it works. In some cars you can use the screwdriver. You just put it inside and pull it. like that. And you need a big screwdriver, very strong one. I'd say in my case it's fine. Now I have two bolts. Alright, you need some spanners. What spanners? I'd say 15. 16 first. Nope. 17. Yep. Yeah, that's 17. So we go by hand. Okay, when it's done, you inspect those rubbers too, and you inspect those cylinders if they're moving freely. If not, you have to take care. So those two cylinders, see, those two. Right. So I have the caliper off. That will do. It's not so heavy. See, this side, they're not too bad. But the other side, this is gone completely. I'll do it tomorrow, because probably I'll do it tomorrow. See if I have time today, because I have to go to work in an hour. Wait, it's off. It's very bad, doesn't have a noise warning. 35 euro in a local shop. What brand is? Nippon. Interesting which way should go the noise thing. Inside or outside? Doesn't make any difference. If I put outside, it's impossible. See, it's hitting this thing, so it has to be inside. But they don't provide those springs. Right, when it's in, and the other one is in. Right. Good. See, because it's completely pressed in, you can put nicely and easy back the caliper. New bolts. If this nut wouldn't be screwed, this job would be a lot faster. But because of this job, it will take quite time. And always something has to come up. Always. It's like coursed. It's 10 o'clock and it's so warm outside. Ooh. Today it's 1st of May. 2025. No, just give it a little bit more force. Not crazy tight. You should go by the book and tighten it and torque to the manufacturer's specification and blades. That will do. So the brake pads are done. Now this one. I think this is the most complicated job. Or she can drive in 4 knots for a while until I fix it. Let me see if I have the right tool. What can be Imperial or South Korea? That shouldn't be. That should be metric. M12. Let's see M12 first. Yeah, it's M12. M12 175 pitch. And it fits in 27 socket. Let's just 26 spanner fits better than in 27 socket. We'll use a spanner. That's gonna be a challenge. Unless I can use something else. Have a piece of almost off. I just need to straighten those threads. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That we go. One more time. Say the thread is cleaned. Now I should do the same thing to the knot. I don't have a different knot. Looks good now. See? You know what? I'll get a new knot. This is fixed, so it will be easy just to get the knot and put it in. After changing the brake pads, make sure you pump the brake when everything is done. Before driving, pump the brakes. 21. And I know what they've done. They used the gun, a pneumatic gun or electric gun, before trying to screw in, just to make sure it's in the right position. That's 100% what happened. See now, changing this position, I'll have a better grip, an easy one. I'll be tangent, close to tangent when pushing it down. Then you have more force. See now, in this position, it's kind of hard. To be tangent, I have to incline this way. But if I change the position here, see, now, easier. Has a little bit of wear, but it's not too bad. It'll do. You see, when I've noticed the noise, scratching noise, I stopped using the brakes and just using the engine, mostly only in emergency cases. Slightly press the brake until I got home. Because the last time I used, and I don't know if she noticed before, but I don't think she did, otherwise she would say that she heard some scratching noise. Right, I want to show you on the right hand side, rear right hand side, how bad they are. Basically on the other side. Here, see, metal to metal rubbing. No ferrite anymore. This side. This is even worse. See how shiny. Now the display is definitely will be shiny, because the last time I failed the CVRT test for a Sprinter camper van, and the fella in the test center said to me, they're not shiny enough. They should be very, very shiny. Of course they're not shiny, because the camper it's not used much. Well, he couldn't see on his machine what force does he use, how good the brake are working. I don't know. I just don't know. They were shiny, but not enough shiny. Now they're definitely shiny in this case. Now the brake pads are changed on both sides. The brake discs are only for braking. It has a separate pair for the handbrake inside here. So next time I'll order online the new brake discs, new handbrake pads, and new rear brake pads. And probably I will get a kit for those cylinders of caliper and the rubber thing, because they looked a little bit, dodgy. Okay, so I'll see you next time.